So in this problem, we are given a chart which categorizes a number of 20 senators according to political party and gender. Now we want to choose one member at random, and what we want to know is how many ways can the chosen person be a woman or a Republican. So from this chart, if we only look at the Republican row, then we know that we have a total of 6 Republicans. So our number of Republicans will be 6. And likewise, if we look at the women column, we see that we have a total of 5 who are women. And then also seeing where that row and that column intersects, what we see is that we have a total of 2 women Republicans. And so from our counting formula, what we have is that the number of women or Republicans will be equal to our number of women plus our number of Republicans minus our number of people who are both women and Republicans. And so this gives us 5 plus 6 minus 2, or 9 people who are either women or Republicans.